In this super quick video, I want to show you how you can choose columns in Power BI. And I didn't know about this for the longest time. So every time I worked with a table in Power Query, I was manually right-click selecting them and telling Power BI which it should remove. And you can actually do that much faster. And I will show you. Here we are in Power BI. You see this is a blank report. You see I have some tables in there. And now we go into Transform Data to open the Power Query editor. So here we are. This is my date table. You see we have a lot of columns in there and maybe we don't need all of them. And normally I wouldn't do this with the date table, but with my other tables, but they don't have as many columns. And this is a great example to show you actually a table with a lot of columns. Now, what I did before was I would do right click and then tell Power BI remove. And sometimes I would hold Control and click on some and then tell Power BI to remove. That takes a lot of time. And also, let's say I remove something, this one, remove. Now I get this removed columns at my applied steps here. And then I need to look what was removed. Now I learned you can click this button, choose columns. It was there all the time. Choose columns and you can just really choose which columns you want to keep. So let's say I want to remove these 5 and then I just click OK and they're removed. And now here's the most awesome thing. Next to that, you don't need to click around anymore. You can now at the applied steps click on this little thing here, the configuration thing, and then it opens and you get the choose columns window again. Isn't this amazing? It makes stuff so much faster. Really happy that I learned it. So I thought I want to share this with you. Did you know about this? Let me know.